The 1947 Rolls-Royce is a symbol of timeless elegance, craftsmanship, and prestige. Emerging after World War II, this luxury automobile marked a new era for the company as it resumed production following wartime disruptions. Built with meticulous attention to detail, the 1947 Rolls-Royce embodied the finest British engineering and luxury, making it a coveted vehicle among the elite. Whether it was the Silver Wraith or the Phantom IV, each model carried the brand's signature opulence, refinement, and smooth performance. Under the hood, the 1947 Rolls-Royce featured an inline six-cylinder engine, ensuring a quiet yet powerful driving experience. The Silver Wraith, introduced in this era, came with a 4.3-liter engine, later upgraded to a 4.6-liter version. These cars were known for their exceptional ride quality, thanks to the advanced suspension system and high-quality materials used in their construction. Rolls-Royce's commitment to a whisper-quiet cabin and effortless acceleration made this model one of the most luxurious cars of its time. The design of the 1947 Rolls-Royce reflected a blend of classic and modern influences. The iconic grille, topped with the spirit of ecstasy, stood as a statement of sophistication. Handcrafted bodywork by renowned coach builders such as Hooper, Park Ward, and Mulliner added a unique touch to each car. Interiors were lavish, featuring fine wood veneers, plush leather seats, and detailed craftsmanship that showcased Rolls-Royce's dedication to perfection. Every detail, from the polished dashboard to the soft carpets, was designed to create an atmosphere of luxury and exclusivity. One of the most remarkable aspects of the 1947 Rolls-Royce was its exclusivity. Unlike mass-produced vehicles, these cars were built to order, allowing owners to customize every aspect according to their preferences. This bespoke approach made each Rolls-Royce unique, reflecting the tastes and personalities of its distinguished owners. Many of these vehicles were used by royalty, heads of state, and celebrities, further cementing their status as the ultimate luxury automobile. Over the years, the 1947 Rolls-Royce has remained a prized collector's item. Enthusiasts and restorers around the world dedicate time and resources to preserving these historic cars. Auctions often see these models fetching high prices, especially those with well-documented histories and original parts. Maintaining a vintage Rolls-Royce requires expertise and access to authentic components, but for many, the effort is worthwhile to keep a piece of automotive history alive. Today, the legacy of the 1947 Rolls-Royce lives on through classic car shows, exhibitions, and private collections. The car continues to be a symbol of a golden era of luxury motoring, representing the pinnacle of craftsmanship and elegance. Whether seen on the road or displayed in museums, the 1947 Rolls-Royce remains an icon of sophistication, reminding the world of an era when cars were more than just a mode of transport, they were works of art.